In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a script to chart in TradingView. Start by opening a chart on TradingView. You can choose any symbol and any time frame. The process is the same. This chart is the canvas where your indicator or strategy will display. Take a second to make sure you are on the main charting page so the editor and controls are available. Next, access the Pine editor. Look at the bottom of the screen for the tab labeled Pine Editor and click it to open the code panel. This is TradingView's built-in editor for Pine script, the language used to create custom indicators and strategies. Having it open side by side with your chart makes it easy to edit and see results. Now create or paste your script. Click the New button in the editor and select Blank Indicator Script. TradingView will load a simple template. Highlight everything in that template and paste your own code so it replaces the default lines. Make sure you are pasting the full script you intend to use. If your script specifies a version or includes inputs, keep them exactly as written so it compiles correctly. If the script doesn't work right away, check the Console tab inside the editor. The console lists errors and warnings with line numbers so you can quickly pinpoint issues. Read the message carefully. Things like missing commas, mismatched parentheses, or misspelled variable names are common and easy to fix. Click back into your code, make the correction, and glance at the console again to confirm the error clears. Keep adjusting until the console no longer shows problems. When your code looks good, save the script. Click the Save button in the top right of the editor and give your script a clear descriptive name. Saving helps you keep versions organized and makes it easy to come back to the script later without losing your changes. Finally, add the script to your chart. Click Add to Chart in the editor. If the script compiles successfully, you'll see its plots or signals appear on the chart right away. If the button is disabled or nothing shows, return to the console, resolve any remaining errors, save again, and then click Add to Chart one more time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.